What is going on, Hive Warrior? So this is just a quick public service announcement. I know, Tuesday, right? But it's important because tomorrow my app drops, March 2nd. And today is your last chance to sign up for the app early to be able to use all of the app for $1 for that first month where you can cancel at any time. Guys, click the link down in the description box below. I'm super happy, super proud of this entire thing. So glad that you guys who have been here, especially those who have been here since the beginning, 4 years, 5 years ago. I'm so glad to see this evolution of intermittent fasting. I guarantee you this app will be the best place for intermittent fasting. And it's not just gonna have that, it's gonna have weight loss, direct study breakdowns. It's going to have the ability for you to communicate with me directly, and it's going to be me responding to your questions. This app finally allows that filter to happen so that I can be able to talk to you directly with any questions that you have. It has 100% original videos that will not appear here on YouTube. So not to ramble on too long, go ahead and click that link and get ready to experience the most fully fledged app of all time when it comes to fitness. Did I mention I'm going to have recipes on there to help you with your fitness journey? Yeah, guys, you don't even have to buy a cookbook for this one. Go down there, sign up, just $1 for the first month. You get everything the app has to offer. And of course, thank you in advance. My Wednesday video is still gonna drop, so keep an eye out for that tomorrow here on YouTube. Have a good one, guys.